Noshi 2 smart drone from AliExpress. Here's the camera on the front, second and the bottom, 3 lights, 1, 2, 3 on the back, sensors, feisty. Preparing to start, and we're lift off. Check out the cameras. Well, it says it's a full HD camera. Maybe it is. The quality is quite low, but still visible. Have double cameras, front and down. Quite difficult to operate, at least for me. That's the first time I'm operating any drone. So, yeah, you have to watch the screen to know where's the front and where's back. Oh yeah, it's cool. I have a lot of fun. Battery will last me for something between 15 and 20 minutes. I think it's a great device to learn how to fly a drone and then in time upgrade to something more advanced. See you next video. Link in the description.